Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of a different eye look. We're going to be using a special palette that I got my hands on. But before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post bell notification so you never miss when I upload a new video. Comment down below what videos you'd like to see next on my channel. Today's just going to be an eye look, and then pretty soon I'll be doing full faces. But for now, I just want to do eye looks. And the palette we're using today is the James Charles X Morphe palette. I did get my hands on it when he did the relaunch. I think it was January 3rd or 4th. I got my hands on it. I have used it, so it's not a first impressions video, but here's what it looks like. It's very pretty, very colorful. So the eye look that I had in mind today was using these blues. Like, this color is just like calling my name. So I did an eye look using greens yesterday, so if you are interested in seeing how that turned out, I'll leave my social media down below. But I've only swatched these 6 colors. I have not used them on my eye yet, but I have used like these reds up here on my best friend. So we're going to go ahead and use mainly these colors today. But I already primed my lid, so I'm going to go ahead and just set it with the color Canvas. And I'm just taking it on my flat brush. I want to let you guys know that this eye is tearing this morning, so it's going to be very difficult to work with it today. But I wanted to get a video filmed, so that is why I'm filming. I just woke up, so that's why it tears. It always tears when I wake up in the morning. I don't know why. It's Punch Me. It's a very light, light brown, cool toned almost. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into the crease so we have a starting color for the crease. I'm not using tape today like I did the last time. I'm just kind of letting it just do its own thing. But this is a very light brown, so it's good to start working that into the crease. We're going to go ahead and take Playground, and I'm going to take it on a little blending brush. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? The bristles are purple, so it's not like there's pigment on this. Oh my god. I'm so excited. But we're going to go ahead and start blending this into our crease. Right on top of that Punch Me color. Oh my god. Look at that color. Holy. Whoa. I've avoided to do this eye just because, like I said, it's like super teary and I feel it. So I might have to do that one off camera. I'm next going to take a little bit of Brother on like a flat shader brush. And this is Brother right here, and I'm just going to dip into that color. And apply this to my outer corner, and then whatever is left on my brush I will blend into my crease. And I'm also going to put this on the inner corner so we kind of have like a halo eye going on. That's something that I have not really done yet on my channel, but I think it'd be pretty. So I added a little more to my inner corner, and now right here I'm just going to connect like the two. So like it doesn't look weird. Again, I'm not a professional. I think I say that in almost every video. I am not a professional. I just like to do makeup for fun. I just went ahead and finished doing the Brother color on my eye. There's not like a lot of fallout. I still would recommend doing this first before like foundation if you do a crazy colored eye look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to like merge these together so it kind of like all looks seamless. And I have it dipped back in. I'm going to take a little bit of Cola, which is right here, which is a little bit darker than Brother, and I'm going to take it on this Naked 2 brush, which is like the double-sided brushes. It is stained because I used a like reddish color with this yesterday, so it is stained, but it is clean. Go ahead and take a little bit of Cola, and I'm going to just kind of darken my outer corners a little bit, not super crazy, pack it mainly like right like on the very outer corner of my eye and the very inner corner. I don't want it to be super crazy, but I also want to make sure that brother is still seen. So I'm like literally just going to do a little bit of taps right to the outer corner. It's had a little bit of cola and you really can't tell, but I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing on this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so while I was off camera, I also did my concealer right in the center of my eye. I used the Maybelline concealer in 25 medium. This is the Fit Me line. I'm going to take a little bit of Hello and I'm going to just use my finger for this, and I'm just going to pack right where the concealer is. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of this on my finger. Wow. So I'm just going to take Hello and pack it on. Oh my god. This is what the look looks like with no lashes, no liner, no full face. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my brows off camera, put some mascara on and liner, and then we'll be back. And I did my brows and I put lashes on. I used the Brow This Way gel from Rimmel London in medium brown, and I also used Tarte's Lights Camera Flashes mascara. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do we're going to add like a little bit of glitter. So I'm taking this Stila glitter in Monarch. That's the shade name, and this is what it looks like. This is super pretty. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to take this like little angled brush, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to the center right on top of Hello. I just applied the Stila glitter to my lids, and I think it looks really, really pretty. So for the last step, I'm going to take a little bit of, let's see which color. I'm going to take a little bit of probably Playground, or just like a flat top brush. And I'm just going to kind of like press that under like my lash line. Here's the final look. I just went ahead and smoked out my lower lash line, well, attempted to. I used the color Playground, that bright blue color. I also lined my waterline with the NYX retractable liners, and I stuck a ring light right in the inner corners, which really makes the eye pop. And I think this looks really pretty. So let me know what you guys think of this eye look. I think it turned out okay. I'm not going to say it's amazing, but I think it did look good for my first attempt using blues. But I want to hear your thoughts. Be sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post bell notifications so you never miss a new video. Also follow me on my socials, which will be down in the description box below. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!